I am hosting a fall party tomorrow, so I had to head to Trader Joe's because if you know, you know. They are the headquarters for all things fall. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today I'm going to show you my Trader Joe's haul. Tomorrow I'm making a fall themed charcuterie board. So let me show you what I got. We're gonna start off strong. I was super excited to get these. I was trying to describe to the employees what I was talking about. I saw these on TikTok. So they're milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and they are all in different fall shapes. They're so cute. I think they're gonna be perfect for my board. So I went ahead and got 2 boxes of those. These are always a fun item to get. They're little herb roasted petite carrots, and there's like different colors. Very fall. I like to decorate my island or my table with different pumpkins and gourds. So those are pretty reasonably priced at Trader Joe's. You guys, if you're looking for like fancier cheeses but on a budget, this is the go-to place. So here I have a double cream Gouda from Holland. So I'm super excited for that one. I also have a Monterey Jack, and I have a goat's milk with some fun seasonings on there, but then also a cranberry goat cheese, which with these, I have dates, and I need to do a recipe on that for you guys, but it's so good. I went ahead and picked up some raspberries, some blueberries, dried apples. Those are always perfect to put on a board. Another staple that I had to have were these fall leaf corn tortilla chips. They're gonna be so cute with a dip. Their garlic naan crackers are really good to have for dipping. And then their golden brown crackers are also really good. Along with my pumpkins, I also like to have a pretty bouquet. So I grabbed one of those, and then I've never had cattails. I think these are called cattails. But they're for indoor use. I just have to soak them, cut them, soak them, and they're really pretty. So I'm gonna use those. Another fall special, it's maple leaf cookies. They have like a cream filling, they're so good. And then I saw these cinnamon sugar cashews. I love cashews, so that's right up my alley. But then also maple spiced peanut mix. So it has almonds, pecans, really no peanuts. I don't know why I said that. Sun-dried cranberries. I'm sure that's gonna be good. Okay, I have to know, do you like apricots? I love apricots. Lisa, do you like apricots? Yeah, I love them, so I had to get those. I also love the option of having both colors of grapes. Now, fun fact, I don't like grapes, but I know a lot of people do, and they're like a staple for a charcuterie board. They're good fillers, and they just make it look really pretty. So I got both colors there. We have mini cucumbers. These are always nice to have. You just slice them up, put them on your cucumber, or put them on your board. And I got the pitted dates, and I make a really good recipe with these. So comment down below, let me know if you would like me to make that recipe for you guys. And then for our meats, I went ahead and got ham, salami, and pepperoni. And then I got 2 different kinds of bread. So I have a ciabatta baguette, which is really fun, and you can bake that. And then I got a focaccia, which is French onion with caramelized onion and cheese. So I'm super excited with for that. That's everything I got at Trader Joe's for my fun little haul. Again, they're the perfect place to go for the different holidays that we have coming up. They always have themed items, and it's very reasonably priced. All of this was $120. So that's a really good price for a charcuterie board. I'd love to hear if you guys are having any fall parties coming up. Do you do like a full meal? Do you do appetizers, charcuterie board? Just comment down below and let me know. Thanks so much for hanging out. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.